From freshly harvested crops to freshly caught fish, from deliciously made dairy products to that life-saving drug, from a quickly erected structure to those seeds to the farmers. You will find us there, playing a silent role yet a very crucial one, and we are Rinac, solution architects and builders of cold chain infrastructure and clean modular construction. Our cold solution products such as cold room, cold storage, and chillers, Freon and ammonia refrigeration systems for cold room, freezer rooms and low humidity cold room, retail products like Chill Cart, Preserva, and Sapphire, our clean construction products such as prefabricated panels, clean zones for food processing, sandwich panel insulation walls and modular ICU. Our products are indigenously built in our factories, and we also export to our neighboring countries. We are Rinac, a resourceful partner for those who aim to scale high.